Just heading for the boat.
Right, hope you guys have Taylor Swift doing her 12th album in like -7 minutes.
So the theory is,
Yes.
we're going to get the boat.
Right,
the
we have 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
There's the guy.
The music industry announces another bit of the
And then we're going over to Koh Phi Phi Island that is just over there. Boat's here. It's a bit of a long way out. I think he's going to get it across a bit. Are you okay, Joe?
Yeah, great.
Over there you can see Long Beach where we were this morning. It is quite bouncy at the minute. We've made it across and it seems a bit flatter. There's some big caves in front. I'm not really sure what's in there. I can zoom in a bit. Looks like bits of, I don't know, reed or something. Put your arms in the air. This is Viking Bay. Phi Phi Lee. There's a proper raft up going on here. Hundreds of longtails. What's that?
A bit calmer now.
We're very close to Maya Bay.
What are you going to do, Rob?
I'm just about to go for a swim.
Where?
It's not Maya Bay, it's the one opposite it. It might be called Viking Bay.
It's behind it.
Behind Maya Bay, so it's on Koh Phi Phi Lee.
Maya Bay's over there. Where are you going?
I'm just going for a swim in the sea, obviously. Oh, it's lovely. Would you like to see if you can see some fish? Yeah? Okay, let's do it. Did you see them? Good, aren't they? Yeah? Emma, are you coming in? Why not? There's loads of fish.
Floating in the sea. You don't realise this means I'm on a boat. Here comes a creature from the Blue Lagoon.
Now you are looking like you're sailors. A pair of you.
No, I'm happy.
That is right at the end of the cove. I'm not sure if you can get off in this little bay area. Do you want to say hello to your mum and dad in case they're watching?
Hello, Mum and Dad. I'm still alive at the moment.
I think the guys are just looking for a snorkeling spot. They need to tether up to the buoys over there. There's quite a lot of fish. It's got quite rainy now. It's a bit wet on this boat, isn't it? She's been smiling.
I think I'm running out of smiling. I think I'm running out of smiling. I just walked dry land now.
You ready for some land? It'll be all clear in a minute once this has got out away. Hopefully. I think the storm is leaving us, it's just heading off that way. A bit clearer now. The rain came back and it still looks a bit murky that way, so we've just got to wait it out at the moment. So just as an update, we are safely ensconced in
In the lagoon,
Phi Phi Don Lagoon.
with every other longtail that ventured out today.
Yeah. The problem is there is a large expanse of open water to get through, to get
Between the two islands.
from
The problem is,
Phi
I
Phi
have
Lee
no
to Phi Phi Don, and it's quite wavy out there at the moment. So
Do you want to know what the real problem is? I have no data, so I can't refresh Taylor Swift's page.
anyway, so we probably have at least half an hour, and our ferry to Phuket leaves in, is it an hour's time? So, and it takes half an hour to get back. So I think we've missed it. We haven't booked any accommodation for tomorrow, so we may well be staying in tonight. Yeah, Phi
We
Phi
must
Don.
have known. When I said this morning I'd like to stay in Phi Phi longer, it heard me.
Joe, great news, the engine's going.
It's going. It's 20 to 2.
We're 2:30 boat, so we've got 50 minutes and it takes half an hour. Everybody's
We've got to get the cars.
getting out. Are they going?
Same direction.
It's looking promising.
Carnage.
Thing is, as you come out, you can see it's really busy because everybody wants to get out now. Although there's people coming in, weirdly. It looks nice and clear through to Phi Phi Don, which is promising. But I think it's going to be bouncy. I can see people bouncing. We're not enjoying this at all. Oh my god. Oh, that's a big. This really was a mistake. Massive mistake for us to come on this. Getting close to land, actually. It's going very steady, which is a good thing, probably. But it just means it feels like a long, long time.
Still want to do it.
Yeah, definitely. Getting past the headland now. I'm a bit worried I haven't got the film going, it's just been taking photos.
Well, I really hope you've got one with your things because I'd love to relive this.
Well, it's actually relatively calm now. It's only 10-foot waves. Us two are just shivering here. Emma seems fine.
No, she's dead.
Goose pimples? Yeah. Goose pimples. We can see land though, it's relatively close.
It feels much closer. Long Beach.
What's it going to be like to stand on ground? We're looking forward to that. These mad guys seem to be going out. I'm not sure that's a good idea. Perhaps they haven't seen what we've seen. Maybe it's got a lot calmer. Maybe the waves are only 30 foot now. I know there's a film
Just talk.
about a boat in deep ocean with big waves, and it felt like that. Not Titanic. No, it's one about
Just because I'm old, don't make
a deadly sea squall that he just about survives. And this is that film. What?
Titanic. I think they made the right choice, but I did think I was going to die, and I have left a lay in my greenhouse.
I thought we were going to die as well. That's official.
I figured when they put the life vests on, then I'd really worry.
Oh, they didn't put the life vests on.
So
No,
I
that's
didn't,
fair.
you know. So I was going with that. When they put their life vests on,
guys
I
are brave.
was truly worried.
I won't want to do that again.
Not doing that. I'm really glad that I turned that out because my brain's done.
Wow, that is nice. That is nice.
I think I wet myself.
You haven't been swimming today, have you? That's just from the boat ride.
How am I
A
going to
nice,
try?
quiet boat ride across the water.
I'm really glad that I wore a bikini.
Have you got a dry piece? No dryness at all.
I'm not going on a long run. I'm not going on a long
Hey? I think they're going back out. He got a nice tip just for getting us back alive. It is very nice to be on dry land. Now we could potentially still get the ferry.
We're running for the ferry.
So we've decided we are not going for the ferry because we just can't face it. I mean, who knows what it'd be like out there? He said that he has been in worse, that guy. But the waves did seem quite big, and that was in a sheltered area. It would have got bigger in the sea. We are a bit shaky still.
A bit. Just a bit. Just a tiny bit.
Has anyone got a name for this video?
Bit. I need my
Longtail from hell.
Near-death experience
I need my bed.
on a long tail.
Near-death experience on Longtail.
I want my bed.
Dash, we are lucky to be alive, exclamation mark. I think we need to put something on this altar.
We need to put this in Red City Pop.
Give them some pop in thanks. Just looking out there and can see a lot of longtails coming in now. Another rush up. So we made it to the Andaman Wave Master, and it is bouncy, but it's not like it was, is it? It's not like being on a long tail. Eh? We're not wet, it's warmer. It's what?
The waves are going up.
Yeah, but I think that's probably normal. I mean, you can see the sea is very high. We did discuss staying in Koh Phi Phi, but the problem is, how long would we stay, and would we be scared to ever leave the island?
I wouldn't leave the island if we didn't go now.
Would we have to be airlifted out? Made it.